Hi, my name is Tanya Sook, and I'm a nurse practitioner with Renew Aesthetics, and I'm here to talk about hair loss. So some of the most common causes of hair loss would be excess hormones. The conversion of testosterone to DHT in the scalp would be one of the most common causes for hair loss, as well as autoimmune diseases. And there's multiple other hair loss reasons, something as simple as stress, nutritional deficiencies, just hormone imbalance in general, thyroid dysfunction. And there's even more than that, but we're able to get a proper diagnosis and then a proper plan to hopefully regain or conserve the hair that they have. Some of the options that we have to offer are exciting because we have cell-fill technology combined with PRP, which a lot of people are doing, just the plasma into the scalp, but we combine that with a fibrin-rich technology called cell-fill, and that keeps it available at the scalp for about 7 days versus 24 hours after you just put plasma into the scalp. It's gone within 24 hours. So you get a 7-day like Miracle-Gro treatment for hair regrowth, basically. We also have the Hydrofacial, the Keravive, which is going to help your scalp be really clean, exfoliated. It has peptides that you get to go home with. So if you're using something like minoxidil for your hair loss or Rogaine, it's going to penetrate a lot deeper. We also have multiple lasers that we could use in combination with topical products. The treatments are individualized based on how much a patient wants to spend, how much effort they want to put into their hair loss, what the type of hair loss is that they have. And so we just make a customized plan for each patient that comes in. Yeah, so absolutely an appointment is very necessary for consults, so that way we can diagnose and get a formulated treatment plan for you to have your optimal goal achieved, if we're able to do that. Most of the time we're able to help a lot as long as you start before you're completely bald. We're able to help, but otherwise, we just individualize a plan just for you.